Hello and welcome, I am the Danish Looter and today I'll be opening Nerd Block. Nerd Block of November 2015 is here and I'm gonna open it for you guys. So, let's... sounds interesting. Let's see what we have here. And... ooh, that looks good. Okay, we have a t-shirt. We're gonna wait with that for last, as you know. So we're gonna put it right there. And, oh... this looks good. Alright, let's take the huge item we have right here out of the box with a little plastic bag. Throw that out. And we have it is a Titan vinyl figure. Sherlock! There you go. You can see him right there. Not my favorite TV series. I can actually count on one hand how many episodes I've seen. Maybe two. Maybe two. So, don't know the characters really... can't speak. Don't know the characters well, but I do know that this is Sherlock himself, and I also know that this vinyl figure looks exactly like the guy from the series, so that's kind of amazing. They did a pretty good job right there. And we have the side. We have the back. Telling a bit about the figure. Posable arms? What? And the other side with the rest of the Sherlock Titan figures. So there you go. Oh, Irene! I just got her the other day in the subscription box from Pop in a Box. Pop figure Irene Adler, I believe. It doesn't say here, but it just says Irene. But yeah. So that's pretty cool. Is this an oh, it is an exclusive. Well, they put their sticker on there, telling it's an exclusive, so I guess it is. Sounds like something is inside, but it is sealed, so I'm not gonna open it. So there we go. Quite nice. Next up we have, and this I am excited about. Oh, that's heavy. It says here, engineered by Firefly. Come on, camera. There we go. Ooh, that looks awesome. And it has quite some weight to it. What? It is the Serenity flight from the series Firefly, but oh, that is heavy. It is solid. What is it? Is it vinyl? It feels like vinyl. It is hard and heavy. But look at that thing. That is amazing. And the camera isn't focusing at all. There you go. That is cool, but it kind of looks like an ornament. So, a Christmas ornament? Well, Christmas is coming up, so it is quite convenient if it is. I don't know if this is an exclusive. It doesn't say on the box. It says Ripple Junction, made in China, and something, 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 something. But it does have quite a nice art print right there on the inside of the box. Come on. Show the box. There we go. So that's quite cool. I'm gonna convince my girlfriend to put this on a Christmas tree. Well, good luck. So there we go. That was nice. And next we have... This is weird. This is so weird. It says National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation Griswold Moose Mug. It's a shot glass, acrylic shot glass. And it looks like the moose from the Griswold theme park. If you know the Lampoon's Christmas vacation movies, are quite fun. With Chevy Chase? What is his name? Something Chase. And it looks like a moose, and it's a shot glass. So that's kind of fun. You can drink it with 2 hands. Eggnog or something. Or snaps, as we drink here in Denmark. So there we go. That is fun. It's a very unusual item. Well, I've gotten a few shot glasses in these subscription boxes, but one shaped like a moose, that's just fun. That is, and you can put that on the shelf and will still look good. So that is nice, awesome. Next up, we have a Star Wars item. Star Wars, and it is from The Force Awakens, so it's the new Star Wars. With Kylo Ren on the front right there. And it's a calendar. Well, it says it's a 16-month calendar 2016. And there's absolutely no focus, so that's great. And on the back, I guess it shows some of the pictures from the calendar inside. So I'm hoping that it is focusing on this because I can't see anything. Something like that. There we go. So a calendar, that's always nice. I will put this up on the wall somewhere where I got room for it. Nice one. And oh, that is awesome. It is an art print of Bill Murray himself. Look at that guy. He is amazing. I don't know why he's dripping. That's kind of weird. I can't remember where this picture is from. I can't remember him dressed up like a cowboy, but it is an art print by Howard. So it says down there, and it is printed in Canada, and it is amazing. If this had a signature on it, that would have been so freaking cool. But it is pretty awesome in itself. So that is nice. I'm gonna put that up somewhere as well. And I believe that it was the last thing in the box besides the t-shirt, and we have a little spoiler for next month blog. It will be something with Star Wars, both the classic, well, the old one, and the new one. And it will also have a Star Wars Funko Pop vinyl figure and an item with a tribute to Leonard Nimoy, also known as Spock from the Star Trek series. So I am going to get this box just because there's a Funko Pop vinyl inside and I gotta have it. So that's quite nice. So the last thing we have is the t-shirt, and it is this one. And it looks like it's Nightmare Before Christmas, but is that like the DeLorean? That is a weird t-shirt right there. It looks like it is Nightmare Before Christmas. Well, Jack Skellington standing on top of his little swirly thing in the pumpkin field, getting knocked off by the DeLorean from Back to the Future. And is that Marty McFly hanging there? I don't know. Can't really see it, but there you go. That is a weird t-shirt right there. But it is awesome, and it's kind of Christmas related. Pretty nice. And it is again a shirt punch, and oh, this one is ring spin. So that is awesome. I love getting these t-shirts, and this is a nice print. And thank you for not putting it on a black background. This is like a dark marine blue. I'm so tired of getting black t-shirts. I have a bunch of them over there, which I'm also going to make a video about at some point. But this one is absolutely awesome. So very, very nice. Awesome. But there you have it. That was the Nerd Block, November 2015. Also coming up in hopefully a very short time, Loot Crate and Smuggler's Bounty and Arcade Block. So hit that subscribe button and get a notification about the next videos that will be coming out shortly. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!